So today there's a supposedly historic blizzard here in East Falmouth and all of Cape Cod, and we figured it wouldn't be all that historic if we weren't out in it. So we're gonna go check it out, right?
Yes. Yeah, we're going outside in the blizzard. We should say what date it is. I don't know what date it is, but it's Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday. It's January 26th.
January.
I guess the 26th.
Sure.
Somewhere around there.
2015.
Yeah, 2015.
And we're going out in the blizzard. There is a lot of snow, and it's windy. There are up to 70-mile-an-hour gusts of wind.
So it should be fun.
So it should be fun.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Really? Good luck with that. Ow. Kind of deep over here. Ooh, that's chilly. Yeah, we are gonna have to do some shoveling, aren't we? Maybe next week. Okay, good job.
Which way do you want to go?
Out the driveway, I guess? There's the Mini. I think I'll let you break trail. Oh, it's not so bad out here. Oh, it looks like they plowed the road here at one point. These cars are looking a little buried.
Here we go. Oh, he's getting away. Skiing in the blizzard.
Here comes Cece. Out of the snow. The ski monster. How is it?
It's windy.
Good skiing though, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Going down the big downhill.
Woo! Big scary downhill, maybe. Probably not, we'll see. Woohoo! I was roller skiing here just yesterday afternoon. That wasn't so bad.
Oh yeah, I'm in charge of the squishy cam again. Tee-hee. Whee! There are my skis. Yep. Okay, here he comes. He's a little tiny speck in the middle of the blizzard. We better get out of the way.